Hello everyone and welcome back to my studio. Welcome to another Friday with Friends. Hope you're ready to have a little fun. I haven't done a straight pour in a while, so we're going to play with the split cup and a straight pour. So let's get down to the canvas and have some fun. Okay, today we are working on a Artist Loft 12" by 12" level 3 gallery wrap canvas. It's been taped and pinned. I've got it on my spinner so we can have some fun and spin this out. I've got my split cup ready and I've got 5 colors. So this is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Got some of my favorites today. This is Royal Langnickel's Deep Cobalt Violet. Arteza Bordeaux Red. Oh, love that color. Deco Art 24K Gold. And Liquitech Basics. I think this is Liquitech Basics. No, I'm sorry, Amsterdam. This is Amsterdam Titanium White. I knew it was Titanium White. Okay. So, we're going to load up the split cup. We're going to have some fun. We're going to pour. I think we'll turn some as we pour and see how it goes. So let's get that split cup up here and decide what I'm going to put into which hole. Now what we're going to try and do is pour straight down into the center and do some turning and raise and lower as we go and see what happens. Here goes nothing. You know what? I'm going to put a little spot of gold right in the center. It's always fun to have something to pour into. So that's where we're going to go, right there. All right, let's give that a go.
Heading for a collision, and then now to really live you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around, You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your fears bottled up inside. Heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
Now the thing you want to remember is do not spin fast. Let the centrifugal force do its job. I have way too much gold over here. See, it's all blue and purple over here, and it's all gold and red over there. It's just too solid gold.
Things get tough. No, I got you back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. Baby, you should know I stay. Maybe if I hold on a little longer. Maybe if I stay. Maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be somebody, yeah, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah, yeah. Can I be somebody? Dancing with somebody. I wanna be somebody, yeah.
Wish I'd had a little bit more blend of all the colors together, but not bad. All right, I'm gonna torch this. I'm gonna get it off the spinner. I'm gonna make sure my sides are good, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, we have our wet results. So like I said, I wish that I'd had more of the blue and purple get up into the golden red side and more of the golden red down in the purple blue side, but we do have some hints of all the colors everywhere, so not totally unhappy. I like this part over here. And we're going to let this sit and dry, and we'll see what we think. See you at dry results. Okay, we have the dry results. I think it came out really pretty. A little more gold than I wanted, but I am not complaining because it really did come out very pretty. The little bits of white you can see here and there are really brightening it up. Very pleased. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of Friday with Friends, so please go to the description box to find the links for everyone. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.